Subtracting integers is the process of finding the difference between two integers. It may result in an increase or a decrease in value, depending on whether the integers are positive or negative or a mix. The subtraction of integers is an arithmetic operation performed on integers with the same sign or with different signs to find the difference. Let us learn more about subtracting integers in this video. In this lesson, you will be able to perform and solve two objectives. So we have to perform subtraction on integers, and also kailangan ninyong matutunan kung paano mag-solve ng problems involving integers. So the only thing that you need to remember is this rule. Okay? To subtract an integer, add its opposite. Okay? So, first, ituturo ko muna sa inyo kung paano mag-subtract ng integers using an algebra tiles. Okay? So, I want you to remember this one. Kapag itong symbol na to or tile na to, nagre-represent yan sa positive 1. At ito naman, yung tile na to, nagre-represent sa negative 1. Therefore, the zero pairs, we have positive 1 minus negative 1 or negative tile, that is equal to 0. Okay? Ang tawag sa kanila ay zero pairs. Moving on. Okay, so using algebra tiles, let us perform this particular given. Negative 5 minus negative 3. Okay? So, una, alamin muna natin yung integers dito. We have negative 5. Okay, the integer is negative. Dito naman sa subtrahend, we have negative 3. Okay, this integer is a negative. Okay, so first is magpapakita tayo ng 5 negative tiles. Okay, so we have 5 negative tiles here. Then magsusubtract tayo or mag-aalis tayo ng 3 negative tiles. So inalis natin itong 3 na to. And then, aalamin natin kung ilan ang natira. Ilan nga ba ang natira? Ang natira, 1 and 2. And this is a negative tiles. Okay, so therefore, we have negative 2 remaining here. Okay, so kung babasahin natin yung ating question, negative 5 minus negative 3, that is equal to negative 2 when we are using this algebra tiles. Okay, so next. Okay, so let's try more. So we have 6 minus negative 3. In this case, nilagay ko na po yung 6 na tiles dito. So meron tayong 6 na positive tiles because we have 6 here. Okay? Next, we will add 3 pairs of positive and negative tiles. Okay? So mag-add tayo ng 3 pairs. So ito yung unang pair natin. Positive and negative. Pangalawang pair, this one. At pangatlong pair, ito. Okay. Next, after that, we will subtract 3 negative tiles. Kasi dito sa subtrahend natin, meron tayong negative 3. So, magtatanggal tayo ng 3 negative tiles. Okay? Tatanggalin natin tong negative tiles. Okay? At ang matitira, yun yung bibilangin natin dahil yun yung sagot. Okay, so the answer would be 9 because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 remaining positive tiles. Okay, so ang sagot sa 6 minus 3 or negative 3 is equal to positive 9. Okay, let's try another one. This may be the last example for the algebra tiles. We have negative 7 minus 4. Okay, so we have negative 7 dito. Ipapakita natin muna using a number or algebra tile. So we have negative 7 or 7 tiles na negative. Also, mag-a-add tayo ng 4 na pairs ng algebra tiles. So we have 4 na pairs. So this one is the first pair, second pair, third, and fourth pair. Okay, so meron tayo ditong 4 na pairs. Next is isusubtract natin yung 4 na positive tiles because the subtrahend here is a positive integer. So tatanggalin natin dito yung positive tiles. So, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4 na tinanggal at bibilangin natin yung mga natirang tiles. Ilan kaya yung natira? Ang natira ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, 11 tiles remaining here. So, hindi yan 11 tiles lang, yan po ay negative 11 dahil yan po ay negative tiles. So, the answer of negative 7 minus 4 is equal to negative 11. And that's gonna be the process of subtracting integers using an algebra tiles. So, let's have here a problem-solving tip. Add 0 pairs when the sign of the minuend and the subtrahend are different. Okay? So, in this case, papakita ko naman sa inyo yung paggamit ng number line naman sa subtracting integers. Let's get to it. So, we will use a number line to subtract the following integers. So, let's start with this first example. 3 minus negative 2. In all cases, I want you to remember this word. Change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition. So, ang subtrahend dito ay si negative 2. So, kung dating negative yan, magiging positive yan dito. At itong subtraction na to, magiging addition yan. So, change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition. So, meron tayo ditong 3. Let us copy the 3. Itong minus dito, magiging plus. And then, ang subtrahin natin na negative, magiging positive. So, meron tayong 3 plus 2. So, change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition. Next, we will draw a number line dito. Okay? So, hanapin lang natin yung 3 plus 2 using a number line. So, dito meron tayong 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, umpisahan natin dito muna sa 0. Ang starting point natin ay si 0. So, mag-move tayo ng 3 beses to the right because 3 is a positive integer. So, meron tayong 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So, natapos tayo sa 3. But wait, there's more. Meron tayong 2. Okay? Si 2 ay positive, so mag-move din tayo ng 2 beses papunta sa right din. So, meron tayong, ang starting point natin ay positive 3. Magko-continue lang tayo ng 2 beses, 1 and 2. Okay, so saan kaya tayo natapos? Natapos tayo, ang stopping place natin ay si 5. Therefore, the answer in this particular given is positive 5. Also, 3 minus negative 2 is positive 5 as well. Okay? And that's the final answer. And that is our first given. Okay? So let us try more. Okay. In this second example, we have negative 2 minus negative 4. Okay? Once again, change the sign of the subtrahend. The subtrahend is negative 4. Then proceed to addition. So, meron tayong kokopihin dito na negative 2 lang muna. Okay? Change the sign of the subtrahend. Dating negative 4, magiging positive 4 na siya. Then proceed to addition. Itong minus na to or symbol, magiging addition yan. Okay? So, drawing ulit tayo ng number line dito sa baba. Starting point is 0. We have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, positive 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let's start with negative 2. Since negative 2 is a negative integer, so mag-move tayo ng 2 beses papunta sa left. Okay, so starting point is 0, 1, and negative 2. Okay, so natapos tayo kay negative 2. Pero may isa pang integer, which is the positive 4. So mag-move naman tayo papunta sa right ng 4 na beses. Ang starting point natin is negative 2. Okay, move tayo. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So, saan siya natapos? Natapos tayo kay positive 2. So, kay positive 2 tayo natapos. Therefore, ang sagot dito, negative 2 plus 4 is positive 2. Okay? Also, negative 2 minus negative 4 is also a positive 2 as well. Okay? So, that is how we subtract a two integers using a number line. Okay? So, let's try more for us to understand the lesson well. Okay, let us erase this one. Okay, for our last example, we have negative 4 minus 3. Okay, so first, sabi ko nga sa inyo, change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition. The subtrahend is 3. Okay, and 3 is a positive integer. So, meron tayong negative 4. Kopyahin muna natin sa baba. Okay, so si 3 dito, magiging negative. Lagyan natin ng parenthesis. Magiging negative 3 siya. Okay? At yung subtraction magiging positive. Okay? So, change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition. Okay. So, let's draw a number line here. In this case, we'll start at 0. So, we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. Okay, let's start with the first integer, which is negative 4. Dahil yan ay negative, mag-move tayo ng 4 na beses papunta sa left side. So, meron tayong starting point na 0. Bilang tayo ng 4. 1, 2, negative 3, negative 4. Okay, that is the first integer. So, ang stopping place natin ay negative 4. But wait, there's more. Meron pa tayong negative 3. Okay? So, mukhang mag-extend ang ating number line. So, meron tayong negative 5, negative 6, and negative 7. Okay? So, kung meron ka pang negative 3 dyan, at dahil yan ay negative integer, mag-start tayo kay negative 4. Okay? Bilang tayo ng tatlong beses papunta sa left. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So, therefore, our stopping place is negative 7. Kung saan siya natapat. Therefore, also, the final answer here is negative 7. Negative 4 plus negative 3 is negative 7. And negative 4 or negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. Okay? That's how easy how to subtract two integer using a number line. Pero ang kailangan nyo lang matutunan dito is how to add integers. Okay? That is a basic knowledge. Then we will use some rule of subtraction of integers, change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition. Okay? That's it.